Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. Now, dear student, in our previous lecture, we discussed the basic idea of valence and why atoms love to form chemical bonds. Today, we are going to deeper into the electronic theory of valence, the the valence concept, in electronic theory of valence, which explains how and why atoms combine in terms of electrons. So, ready, my dear student, because this topic is the foundation of understanding chemical bonding. If you master this, you will be able to predict how elements will react just like a pro chemist. Now, the valence concept, electronic theory of valence. My dear student, this concept was introduced by Coastal and Lewis. It says the valence of an atom depends on the number of electrons in its outermost shell, valence electrons. Atoms form bonds by losing, gaining, or sharing electrons to achieve a stable electron configuration. Also, keep in mind note that stability is achieved when the atom's outermost shell has the maximum number of electrons it can hold, either 2 or 8. Now, Octet theory of valence or are rules of it. Octet theory of valence, a rule of it. My dear student, Octet theory of valence proposed by Lewis stated that atoms tend to combine so that each atom has 8 electrons in its outermost shell, just like noble gases. Example, sodium in first shell 2, second 8, and 1, and it lost 1 electrons and form 2 electron and outermost shell at have 8 electron, and now it is stable because its outermost shell contain 8 electron. Similarly, chlorine first shell 2, 8, 7. When chlorine gain 1 electron and form Cl negative in 2 electron and second 8, third 8, then now it is stable because and the outermost shell at have 8 electron. Now together NaCl is formed, and the 1 electron which is lost by sodium is gained by chlorine. Now, my dear student, the rule of 2. What is doing? It applies mainly to small atoms like hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium. Here, atoms aim for 2 electrons in the outer shell to be stable. Example, hydrogen F1. Hydrogen 1 gains 1 electrons from H negative, 2 electrons stable like helium. Our shares electrons is in H2 molecule. Now, what is student orbital concept? Orbital concept, with the development of quantum mechanics, scientists explain valence using orbitals. In this concept, valence is determined by the number of unpaired electrons in an atom's valence shell orbitals. But dear student, atoms bond by pairing these unpaired electrons. Example, a hydrogen atom, sonic configuration 1s1, 1 unpaired electron form 1 bond. Example, 2 oxygen atom, Electronic conversion 1 is to 2 is to 34. 2 unpaired electrons, no oxygen formed 2 bonds is in H2O. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture. I hope you understand. My dear student, if this lecture help you, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lecture, and share it with your friends and comment your question below. Take care and see you in the next class. Thank you for listening.